Yeah, look, all of my friends going crazy. I gotta brag on myself, I amaze me. I know I'm got something that can phase me. I'm too dope like I'm back in the 80s. Okay, go call me and I'm gon' slide. Pull up with me for a hell of a ride. You need a couple wins, they ain't doing it right. Hit up my line, we gon' turn up tonight. I got a lot of wins on my dinner plate. Ain't coming down, gotta levitate. I know my next win is the best one, so I tell them that I'm on to the on to the
on to the next one. On to the next one. On to the next one.
Zone in the zone.
On to the next one.
Zone in the zone.
Look, I don't take no loss, it's simple. I'ma stand up, guy on 10 toes. Looking in the mirror, who better than me? Got their hands high, tell them that I'm out of their reach. I know, I want a few M's, so I'm up, making it happen. To the back laughing. Look, took a few L's, but now I'm way up. You should see they reaction. Whoa, got a lot of wins on my dinner plate. Ain't coming down, gotta levitate. I know my next win is the best one, so I tell them that I'm on to the on to the
on to the next one. On to the next one. On to the next one.
Zone.